Hello and welcome. Thank you for joining me today for a little tutorial on the assembly module. The assembly module is a system that allows you to determine products in your inventory that can be assembled from other products in your inventory and used to create new versions of those final goods. In order to set up the assembly module, you have to first dictate some products in your inventory as parts, meaning items that can be added to a bill of materials for assembled goods. You have to also determine which of your products can be assembled by giving those products a bill of materials in this lower tab group. You can add products to this bill of materials, and you can adjust the quantity required to assemble one of this finished good. Once you have a product that's set up with a bill of materials, you can find on the job product page here in the edit pencil for one of these products, you'll find the add to assembly button. By using this button, you can adjust the quantity that you want to be assembled on an assembly order, and you can choose whether you want to create a new assembly order or add to an existing assembly order in your system. Then you can click the add to assembled order. Alternatively, you can go to the assembly order list, which is found in Inventory Assembly List, pick an assembly order using the edit pencil to edit, and get to this screen. This is your main assembly order screen. You can see some basic information about the assembly order, some of the dates and warehouses involved, the job number, and who requested it. You can also see some information about the number of labor hours and the cost of this assembly. If you want to add any files or view the changelog, that can be done from here. The right-hand side of the screen is your main assembly order information. You can come here to add or edit the number or description of labor involved in this assembly. You can also see your parts, your list of assembled products. You can search this list using this tool and adjust the quantity that you're adding here. What we can see here is this RE Lite 300, which one is in progress. What that means is that we can come to this tool, add a barcode, and scan it. We will now see that this item has been scanned to. It no longer has the yellow triangle, and it can be completed. When we complete it, we will be giving it a barcode prefix and sequence to add this product to our inventory permanently. Once done, we can update the status of the assembly order to completed and close this out to close the loop on the assembly list. Thank you for joining me today for this tutorial.